Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. We're back at it again today with a few new lip kit options for your new VB chassis WRX. Now, I'm not much for back talk, but this video is about to get lippy. By now, you have to be aware of our lip kit that we have installed on our in-house WRX. But hey, maybe you love that stance and look, but you're not really committed to that carbon fiber style. Have no fear, for Noble has released two new options to help suit your needs. Introducing the Noble STI style plastic lip kit. This three-piece set can be purchased individually, including the front lip, side skirts, and rear spats, or bundled together to complete the full look. You also get the option of matte black or gloss black finishes. So what's the benefit of the plastic lip kit over the true and trusted carbon fiber? First is the price point. The plastic lip kit is more affordable than the carbon fiber counterpart, but in my opinion, the biggest difference is flexibility. Due to the ABS plastic construction, these lip kits can have more give if or when the lip comes in contact with curbs or other obstructions, decreasing the chance of replacement due to impact damage. But hey, sometimes things happen and damage is unavoidable, and that brings us back to price point if needing to replace one or more of the items. So there you have it, two brand new styles of lip kit that you can install on your VB chassis WRX just in case that carbon fiber look just isn't for you. But I'll tell you what, be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and for thousands more parts just like this, always be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for the best deals in the world, and we will catch you on the next one.